I am Juliana, I'm 17 years old and I'm living a dream. I made my own decision to leave my country, Brazil, and come to England to try new opportunities and live a new life with my mom. Since I was 9 years old, I hadn't seen my mom and I had missed her so much. Because of missing my mom and looking for a better chance of studying, I decided to come here. I decided to change my life, to learn a new language, and that's why I'm here now. It was easy to come here, easy to get into an aeroplane and fly over the Atlantic Ocean for 16 hours on a comfortable seat and eat a warm food. It was all easy. However, what was difficult was to remember my family, my friends, and recognize how far away I am from their cozy hugs. When I was taking the flight, I looked out of the window and I could feel my body shivering at the thought of leaving my country, my family, and friends. I still remember the day before I left Brazil. I was in the car going to the airport with my aunties, my grandmother, and my best friend. They were tense and sad, but at the same time, you all knew it was better for me. I was so excited and anxious. I could feel mixed feelings invading me. I knew I was ready for it, in fact, that I was dreaming of. Traveling without my parents was pretty cool, and I had a different vision of how people are and how I need to behave in front of others. But nobody else was there to talk to me during the long trip. I was bored on the 6-hour flight, and the only option I had was to try to entertain myself with pictures of MILF in my notebook. I didn't know that in England I could find a great diversity of people and food that comes of other countries, and it's wonderful. We have learned about the other countries and other religions for different people every day. Because I couldn't speak English, I started college and it was so uncomfortable. I didn't have many friends, so I decided to start studying harder. When the summer comes, I only had my mom and my friends to have fun with. It was great and we had an excellent time together. I thought I didn't need to be surrounded by many people. I just need people who really care about me and who make me feel happy and special. The summer of 2018 was my first summer in England and it was amazing. I visited parks and other cities around Derby. I wasn't expecting such great heat. I remember the day when I went out of walks. I saw many people enjoy outside and try to refresh themselves with ice creams and bottled waters. The children were playing in the pools with big smiles and the adults were sunbathing. Every day my cousin used to take me out, and every afternoon we used to go to Marketon Park to ride a bike, which is my favorite activity. Living in UK was a fantastic experience for me. I'm not only learning a new language, but I'm growing up every day to have a bright future. It's not easy to be in another country to try a new journey, but I know in my future I will be happy and successful, as I will work hard to overcome any obstacles.